Strangely, I learned a lot about creativity from someone who is very different than I am. A man named Steven Tyler, who happens to be the lead singer for Aerosmith. You've probably heard of him. I had this experience of sitting next to him and talking about the creative process. And he told me that Aerosmith has this ritual of once a week having a meeting that's called Dare to Suck. I thought, Dare to Suck? What could this possibly be? And he said, each one of us brings an idea that we think is probably terrible. We're embarrassed we even have the idea, and we present it. And 9 times out of 10, the idea is terrible. But 1 time out of 10, you get dude looks like a lady or love in an elevator. And I learned a lot by saying, well, that's an amazing way to approach the creative process. It's fearless. So when you're writing, dare to suck. Dare to be terrible first.